I wish you could feel my excitement right now. I have been wanting one of these masks for so long. And when this company reached out to me and wanted to send me one, I said, yes, please. First of all, like, look how cool this thing looks. Like, this is probably one of the nicest, fanciest ones. Like, the design, it comes in a really nice box as well. Everything is super well packaged. Everything's laid out so nicely. It makes it so giftable. So let me take this off and show you all of the really cool features. So, okay. Whew. All right, this is so fantastic. So to start, I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this off for a second here. So this is really cool because this is actually what powers it. And like, it's just like these little magnets that just clip on right here. Could not be more simple. This at first I thought was like a button. I kept trying to push it, but honestly, it's just like a push very gently. And then you can even tap it and then it goes through the different colors. You can change from the 5 minutes to the 10 minutes depending on what you want to do. It also comes right here. This is adjustable. These you put on here. As you can see, there are tons of Velcro for it to attach. So, and it's like stretchy. So this is going to fit a wide variety of people's heads. I do have a small head and this clearly fits. You can strap that on nice and tight. And then it also, let me turn that off. Sorry, just while I can't stare directly into it. And then one of the things, and I didn't realize at first, because the first time I put it on, I hadn't fully opened everything from the box. And then when I pulled these out, I was like, hey, what is this? So it's kind of neat. This just pops in here, which is made such a huge difference because then the lights are not like directly on my eyes. It's actually elevating it a little bit, which is really good because I feel like now I'm not blinded, which is fantastic. And then the cool thing is, as like I was showing you, let me just kind of turn this on. Hold on, let me hold that. And then so we can just quickly filter through. As you can see, there are different lights, and that's crazy to me because I only thought that there were red and blue, but it does come with this great little book right here, and then it just kind of explains to you what the different lights are for and what they do. So just depending on what you were looking for, the fact that this mask has all of those options I think is really great. Obviously, this part right here is rechargeable, and it does come with the cord for you to do so, makes it really simple. But yeah, really lightweight. At first, when I grabbed this and I didn't see this, I was like, well, how do we turn this on? I thought it was going to have to be plugged in somehow, but we just have this. It is still so lightweight. I was worried this was going to make it extremely heavy, but it's really lightweight. And like, honestly, clearly I look so cool. I know. I definitely feel cool, and I just can't wait to start adding this into my daily routine. I'm so pumped.